I'm here with Steve Dobe, the head of IT at Everhard Industries.
Everhard Industries is a 94-year-old, fourth-generation, family-owned Australian manufacturer. How's that for a mouthful? We manufacture precast and polymer products.
What led you to consider implementing an ERP and a cloud ERP?
We had an in-house or on-premise ERP solution that had probably been within the business for about 20 years. That had not been upgraded for about 10 years, so we knew we were up for some change. As far as why we chose NetSuite, I think the most compelling thing was right off the bat, you could tell that it was easy to use. If you do get something that I guess falls outside of the core NetSuite functionality, that ecosystem of systems that integrate with NetSuite is huge, and that was a big plus for us. If you wanted to find something, or if you wanted to perform a particular transaction, you could just get there. It was really intuitive.
How would you sort of describe your implementation process?
It's actually pretty smooth. I've done a few ERP implementations, and I'd say it's by far the smoothest transition that I've seen. So, NetSuite can do so much for your business, but for us, it was really important to ensure that when we turned it on, we could continue trading. Our partners wouldn't know that we changed, and we could still manufacture and distribute product without impacting the customer. Financials, manufacturing, logistics, supply chain, demand planning. It's pretty broad. It's a project.
Compared to before, you wanted something that's easy to use and something essentially with the ability to integrate features and obviously with added flexibility. How have you found that? Well, what are some of the other benefits you may have found?
Probably the biggest change that we've seen is usage. With NetSuite, it's intuitive. So straight away, if you want to find something, you can find it. As soon as you start getting usage up, you're starting to rely on the information more. You're starting to find, I guess, false information, so you're starting to improve. So it's a continuous improvement process straight off the bat. Having confidence in the data and that what you're seeing is great. So we had a lot of custom modifications to QAD, but one of our biggest pain points is you'd run a sales report or you'd run 3 sales reports and they'd tell you 3 different things. That's gone. So the confidence in what you're seeing is there. It was really important for us to, I guess, adopt NetSuite's standard processes. I guess moving to a system like NetSuite, we were confident that their processes would be fairly tried and true, and they have been. So we haven't done any modifications. We've obviously written some custom reports that suit our business. We've changed our dashboards, and it's very customizable from a usability perspective, but from a core functionality, no, we didn't make any modifications.
Yeah, and so Suite Success has been a success then?
Oh, absolutely.